Hello everyone, this is Phone Arena, and what we have for you this time is the Sony Ericsson Xperia Play, the first PlayStation certified handset, and we'll take it for a quick benchmarking run. What we have here is the Quadrant standard benchmarking application, so we'll run this and we'll run the full benchmark as a comprehensive testing. It tests the CPU, memory, database, and graphical performance of the handset, and we'll see how this phone rates against the other high-end devices. We've had a couple of dual-core announcements in the previous months, and we'll see if this can actually be a competition. We see the frame rates here drop to nearly 12 frames per second, not the best results we've seen. And here we have results slightly below the 20 frame per second mark, also not groundbreaking. So let's see what we have in the three-dimensional graphic department. See a pretty average frame rate here. We have 20 frames per second, and let's take a look at the results. So the results actually vary. What we got now is 1300, and you can get as much as 1500 depending on the programs that are running in the background. And obviously we haven't turned off all the programs, but we have basically the most memory intensive programs shut down. So this is what you get with standard quadrant testing on the Xperia Play. And since the Sony Ericsson Xperia Play is mostly a gaming device, what matters really is the graphical performance of this handset. So we chose M3D XL to check out the graphical performance of the Xperia Play. And the first test, which we'll run here, is called the Double Dragon and checks the GPU's ability to render static objects. We have static graphics here, and we'll see the results in a second. But before that, let us show you the other tests it went through. And this next test is called Ninja's Garden. It's what truly showcases the capabilities of this handset. And as you can see, we have a noticeable slowdown in the performance of the Xperia Play. So you can see that we have both the grass, we have the background, and we have the skeletal animations here, something that you'll see pretty often in games. So we'll check out the results in a second. But before that, let's take a look at one final test. And this final graphical stress test renders nearly 50,000 polygons worth of a landscape we see right here. So it's a pretty realistic test to show what the performance of the Xperia Play will be. And in a minute you'll see the complete results. So while the Xperia Play is a pretty powerful device with its Qualcomm MSM 8255 chipset, it's definitely not comparable to what the other high-end Android handsets like the dual-core ones, including the Motorola Atrix 4G, have to offer. And for a more detailed review of the graphical performance of the Xperia Play, check out phonearena.com. Thanks for watching.